teachers and dear students. It is my pleasure to welcome you all today for the virtual quiz competition of the primary section. I also would like to welcome our eminent participants from different classes. Now, I would like to introduce our participants from each team. So as you all know that team A is class 3rd, and from class 3rd we have Muskan, Harsh Kanpal, Om Bhatt, Divi Bisht, Adarsh and Aradhya Rawat. Moving to team B is class 4th, and from class 4th we have Bhumik, Anshika, Thakur Kavya Singh, Pranika, Tanmay and Simran Pawar. Last is team C, and team C is class 5, and from class 5 we have Abhinav Mishra, Divya Bisht, Suryansh Kaushik, Naval, Vaishali and Sandhya Rawat. So this was about our participants. Before moving to the competition, I would like to tell you all some instructions of the quiz that you all have to keep in your mind while the quiz is going on. Please listen carefully. Number 1, only the team which is asked questions will be allowed to turn on their mics. Number 2, if unnecessary other teams are opening their mics, they will get minus points. Number 3, for unnecessary nuisance and disturbance, the marks will be deducted and the team will be disqualified. Number 4, there will be no one with the child in the room while the quiz is going on. Number 5, the questions will be asked and repeated itself by the teacher. No repetition of the questions will be done on the demands of the students again and again. So I hope the instructions are clear to everyone. Now quickly I request Ms. Kiran Bisht to take the charge and proceed the quiz further. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. Before I explain to you the rules of today's quiz competition, I would like to request you all to please listen to the rules very carefully so that there is no confusion later. Now, without wasting any time, let us quickly go through the rules of today's exciting quiz competition. The quiz will be conducted in 5 different rounds, namely general round, visual round, audio round, buzzer round, and rapid fire round. Let us start with the first round, which is general round. In this round, 5 questions consisting of 2 marks each will be asked one by one from each team. 15 seconds will be given for each question, after which the question will be passed on to the next team, and that team will get 1 bonus mark for the correct answer. I hope the rules are clear to you all. So let's start round 1. First 5 questions for team A. Question number 1. How many union territories are there in India now?
Ma'am, Divi Bisht.
Yes, Divi?
Ma'am, 8.
Yes, 8 is the correct answer. 2 marks goes to team A. Question number 2. Steam is the which form of water? Steam is... Yes, Om? No, it's incorrect. You will get 0 mark for this question. No. Devi, please mute your mic. Question number 3. Which is the smallest 4-digit number? Which is the smallest 4-digit number? Adarsh, yes, Adarsh.
Ma'am, 1000.
1000 is the correct answer. Question number 4 for team A. Who is known as the Iron Man of India?
Ma'am, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Ma'am,
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the correct answer. Well done, team A. Last question for you. From which game does PV Sindhu belong?
Ma'am, badminton. Ma'am, Radha.
Yes, exactly. Badminton is the correct answer. Now let's move on to team B. Question number 1 for team B. Who is the governor of Uttarakhand?
Ma'am, Bhumik Devi. Simran.
Bhumik gave the correct answer. Bhumik gave the correct answer. Baby Rani Maurya. Mrs. Baby Rani Maurya is the correct answer. Question number 2 for team B. Which organ purifies the blood?
Ma'am, kidney.
Kidney. Exactly. Kidney is the correct answer. Question number 3. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter?
Ma'am, Simran.
Yes, Simran.
Ma'am, 100 centimeter.
Absolutely right. Question number 4. What is the nickname of our former president APJ Abdul Kalam?
Ma'am, Bhumik Missile Man. Ma'am, Bhumik Missile Man.
Exactly, Bhumik. Right, that's right. Missile Man. Last question for team B. Who won the silver medal in 2020 Olympics in weightlifting for India?
Ma'am, Bhumik Mirabai Janu.
Exactly, Mirabai Chanu is the correct answer. Well done, team B. Next 5 questions for team C. Question number 1. Which are the 2 newly made union territories?
Ma'am, Sandhya. Ma'am, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh.
Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh is the correct answer. Question number 2. Which acid is found in lemon?
Ma'am,
Citric acid. Exactly. Citric acid is the correct answer.
Citric acid.
Question number 3. How many rounds do the R hand take in 1 day? No, it's incorrect. You will get 0 for this question. You gave incorrect answer. Question number 4. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? I repeat, who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution?
Ma'am, Mr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Exactly, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the correct answer. Last question of this round. Who is the only person who won gold medal for India in javelin throw in 2020 Olympics?
Ma'am, Neeraj Chopra.
Yes, Neeraj Chopra is the correct answer. Neeraj Chopra is the correct answer. Okay, students, this brings us to the end of first round. All the teams performed really well. Now let us quickly look at the scoreboard. So team B is leading with 10 points. Well done, team B. And there is a tie between team A and C. Both the teams have scored 8 points. Now it's time to move on to round 2, which is a visual round, and the rules for the round are: Each team will be shown two pictures. The team has to identify the person or character in that picture within a time limit of 10 seconds. 2 marks will be rewarded for correct answer and no negative points for wrong answer. Questions will not be passed to the next team. I hope everyone must have understood the rules of second round. So let's start. All your attention should be on your screens. Here is the first picture for team A.
Ma'am, database computer. Ma'am, computer. Computer. Ma'am, computer.
No, it's incorrect. It's computer, but you have to identify the correct part.
Monitor, ma'am. Ma'am, database.
You gave incorrect answer first. Now team A, please mute your mics. Next picture for team B. Team B, it's your turn now.
Ma'am, keyboard. Ma'am, keyboard.
Keyboard, exactly. Keyboard is the correct answer. Next picture for team C.
Ma'am, CPU. Ma'am, CPU. Ma'am, CPU.
It's incorrect. It's incorrect. It's not CPU. Team A, it's your turn again. Team A. Next picture for team A.
Ma'am, database.
Yes, Divi.
Ma'am. Ma'am, temple.
It's incorrect.
Ma'am, Ombhat. India Gate.
It's incorrect. Om Bhat. Team A responded incorrectly. Next picture for team B. Team B.
Ma'am, Tanmay.
Yes, Tanmay.
Ma'am, Jantar Mantar.
Jantar Mantar. Exactly. Jantar Mantar is the correct answer. Last picture of this round goes to team C.
Ma'am, Qutub Minar. Ma'am,
Exactly. Qutub Minar. This is Qutub Minar. After the second round is over, now it's time to know the scores. Let's check it out. So after round 2, Team B is still leading with 14 points. Team C is on 10 points. And Team A, you scored 8 points. Don't lose hearts, Team A. You still have 3 more rounds. So those were the scores after completion of round 2. Now it's time to move on to round 3, which is an audio round, and the rules for the round are: each team will be made to listen to an audio clip. The team has to recognize the voice of the person or character in that audio clip. 2 marks will be rewarded for correct answer and no negative points for wrong answer. Questions will not be passed to the next team. If all the teams are ready, then let's start the third round. First audio clip for Team A.
Ma'am Doraemon. Ma'am Doraemon TV best.
Yes, exactly. You gave the correct answer. Team A, you gave correct answer. Next audio clip for Team B.
Ma'am Nobita.
You responded correctly. Nobita. Next audio clip for Team C. Team C, be ready.
Ma'am Shinchan.
Sing-chan. Sing-chan is the correct answer. Sing-chan is the correct answer. Next audio clip again goes to Team A. Team A, please listen carefully.
दुश्मन को ये बात हमेशा याद कुछ नहीं भूलता।
Ma'am,
Yes. Shahrukh Khan. Shahrukh Khan is the correct answer. Next audio clip for Team B.
उगता हुआ सूरज और पागता हुआ 30 बार खान दोनों कभी किसी के हाथ नहीं आते।
Ma'am Bhumika Akshay Kumar.
Yes, Bhumik, you are right. Akshay Kumar. Akshay Kumar. Okay. Last audio clip of this round for Team C.
You see that? Debating the diagnostic diagnosis of decisive difference and proper is
Ma'am Amitabh Bachchan.
the other actions you're acting.
Amitabh Bachchan. Exactly. Amitabh Bachchan is the correct answer. Amitabh Bachchan is the correct answer. Amitabh Bachchan is the correct answer. So this was round 3. Now let us quickly look at the scores. So leaving all the teams behind, Team B is still leading with 18 points. Well done, Team B. Team C, your score is 14, and Team B, you are on 12 points. So participants, with this, we are now moving towards the second last round of today's quiz competition, which is a buzzer round. This round can prove to be a game changer. Let me tell you the rules for this round. In this round, 5 questions will be asked to all the teams, one after another. 4 points for the correct answer and -2 points for wrong answer. The questions has to be answered within the time limit of 5 seconds. The team that knows the answer will first say the name of its team and then the answer. If this is clear, shall we start? So first question of buzzer round. What is the full form of FRI?
Ma'am TD Forest Research Institute.
Team A responded first. Team A responded first. Correct answer is Forest Research Institute. Forest Research Institute. Second question. In which country COVID-19 was first diagnosed? Team C responded first. Team C responded first. China is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which day is celebrated as International Yoga Day? Team A responded first, and the correct answer is 21st June. Question number 4. What is the height of Statue of Unity?
B 182. Ma'am, team B 182.
Okay, team B. Okay, team B responded first, and the answer was correct. 182 meters. 182 meters. 4 points goes to team B. Last question of this round. At what temperature does the water start boiling?
Ma'am, 100 degrees Celsius.
Kavya Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
You responded first. What was your answer?
Ma'am, 100 degrees Celsius.
Exactly, 100 degrees Celsius. Yes, so 4 points goes to team B. 4 points goes to team B. I know all the teams will be very keen to know their respective scores. So before we move towards the final round of today's quiz competition, let us take a look at the scores of the teams. Team B, you are still leading with 26 points. Well done. Team A is on 20 points, and Team C, you have scored 18 points. Now let us move on to the final round of today's quiz competition, which will determine our champions. And the round is rapid fire round. Before we start, let me tell you the rules for this round. In this round, each team will be asked 5 questions, one after another. On the immediate completion of a question, each team will get 5 seconds to answer it. No negative points for wrong answers. The questions will not be passed to the next team. So first 5 questions of this round goes to team A. In which city the Red Fort is located? Delhi is the correct answer. Question number 2. Kathakali is the dance form of which state?
Kerala.
Kerala is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which is the highest mountain peak in India?
Ma'am, Kanchenjunga.
Yes, exactly. Kanchenjunga is the correct answer. Well done. Question number 4. Who was the first Indian to go into space?
Ma'am, Rakesh Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma. That's a good one. Rakesh Sharma is the correct answer. Last question for team A. How many Vyanjan Varna are there in Hindi Varnamala?
Ma'am, the will be 33.
30 is the correct answer. Right. Next 5 questions of this round for team B. Question number 1. Where is the Golden Temple situated?
Ma'am, Bhumik.
Yes, Bhumik. Time's up. Time's up, team B. You will get 0 for this question. Question number 2. Bhangra is the dance form of which state?
Ma'am, Punjab.
Punjab is the correct answer. Question number 3. Which is the largest state in India?
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
Rajasthan is the correct answer. Question number 4. Who was the first women president of India?
Ma'am, Indira Gandhi. Ma'am, Mrs. Pravita Patil.
Indira Gandhi, it was incorrect. Incorrect. Last question for team B. Who wrote Ramayana? Who wrote Ramayana?
Ma'am, Valmiki.
Valmiki is the correct answer. Valmiki is the correct answer. Team C, it's your turn now. Be ready, all of you. Question number 1. The Statue of Unity is in which state of India?
Ma'am, Gujarat.
Gujarat is the correct answer. Question number 2. Ghumar is the dance form of which state?
Ma'am, Rajasthan. Ma'am, Rajasthan.
That's right, Rajasthan. Rajasthan. Question number 3. Which is the smallest bird in the world?
Goa.
Please listen to the question very carefully, Suryans. Question is, which is the smallest bird in the world?
Ma'am, Kiwi.
It's incorrect. Question number 4. Who was the first women IPS officer of India?
Ma'am, Kiran Bedi.
Exactly, Kiran Bedi is the correct answer. Last question of today's quiz competition. Team C, when is Hindi Divas celebrated?
14 September.
14 September is the correct answer. 14 September is the correct answer. So with this, today's quiz competition ends here. I'm sure that you all will be very excited to know the names of the winners. But you will have to wait a while to know the final results. Now may I request Mrs. Swati Singh to please conclude today's event.
Thank you, Kiran ma'am, and thank you everyone. So, first of all, students, you all have performed really well and you all have done really good job. So, with this, we come to an end, and I would like to thank our respected HOD ma'am, Mrs. Beena Joshi, our teachers, and especially the students who performed today on the behalf of an amazing lineup. Thank you once again. Now, may I please request our HOD, Ms. Beena Joshi ma'am, to kindly announce the results and also pay the vote of thanks. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Swati Singh. Thank you for handing over me this event. And first of all, I would like to congratulate all the participants, brilliant participants even, I must say. They all know each and every answer. They can be called our champions also. Very good quiz has been organized by all of you. And Swati Singh, before declaring the result, may I know the score, please? Because I'm unable to see the scoreboard right now.
Yes, ma'am. I'll tell you. Ma'am, team A is on 30 points. Team B is leading with 32 points. And team C is on 26 points.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, result So जैसे मैम ने स्कोर बताया, सबको अपना रिजल्ट पता चल गया होगा, है ना? So team C is with score 26 and team A is with 30, and everybody know the name of the winning team, that is team B. A big round of applause for them, all of you. Very good. So team B is the winner of today's quiz competition. I congratulate team B, each and every participant of team B. Very good performance. And rest two teams, better luck next time for you. Okay. Thank you so much for being here today. And a very big and special thank for my entire team for organizing such a big event and bring it to a big success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So now this was all for today's quiz competition. Thank you once again. And have a great day ahead, all of you. And now you all can leave the meeting. Thank you so much.